guys, today we'll be making an adorable fall ribbon wreath. What you will need: I have a 14-inch wreath ring. I have some wire edged ribbon. The width of it is completely up to you. This ribbon is 1.5 inches wide, but you can go with 2 inches, 2.5, whatever you prefer. Chanel stems and scissors. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I have cut ribbon into 8-inch long pieces, and you can see that gives me a nice amount of ribbon here. And I've cut my stems into thirds. Sometimes I cut them in half. This time I chose to cut them into thirds. What I'm going to do is take my ribbon and kind of crisscross all of them so that each piece is visible and it's not overlapping or hiding behind another piece. I'm going to scrunch it in the center, just like that. Take my stem and twist it around my bundle. Then I'm going to kind of flare it out a little bit. And then I'm going to place it on the outer inner ring. Twist it a couple of times and tuck it away. So again, I have made this wreath with wider ribbon. You can go with whatever width you decide. I've used many different patterns at one time. So instead of 4 of the same style of ribbon, I use 4 different styles. Whatever you prefer, just have fun with it and make it your own. You can change the color of the stem if you choose to do so. You can go with like orange or whatever you prefer. Alright, I'm going to make another bundle. And also sometimes I place all of my stems on the wreath ring first and then just place the bundles on the stem. I've done it both ways. It just depends on how I'm feeling. But both ways are simple. Both ways are cute. Alright, I'm going to scrunch it again. Take my stem and twist it a couple of times. Flare it out. And then I'm going to place it on the inner ring. So the last bundle was here. The next bundle will go onto this ring. And then just twist it a couple of times. And tuck it away. Okay, and then they are going to move a little bit. As you get more bundles placed, it'll become more stable, so don't worry about that too much. I think I am going to go ahead and add in 4 bundles to each section just because it makes it a little fluffier and it's more fun. And you can even add 4 bundles, 3 bundles, 4 bundles, 3 bundles, and alternate that way. The possibilities are endless. So you can see this is what the back looks like. So outer, inner, and it's just going to alternate all the way around. Again, I did decide to go with 4 bundles in each section since I'm using thinner ribbon. But if I were using like 2-inch or 2.5-inch wide ribbon, I probably would stick with 3 bundles in each section. 4 pieces of ribbon in each bundle. It's looking so cute already. I'm going to get a few more bundles done and show you what it's looking like. Alright, so I have 2 sections completed and I'm just kind of fluffing up and maneuvering the ribbon. That's why it's better to use wire edge, because you can kind of manipulate it a little more than regular ribbon. But you can use regular ribbon if you choose to do so. If it's a pattern or a design that you just absolutely love, I say go for it. I've even made a wreath similar to this with like the celebration ribbon. So whatever style you prefer. It's looking so cute already. So adorable. Alright, that's only 2 sections. I'm going to continue working. just flaring out and adjusting and maneuvering my ribbon one final time. It looks so cute and precious. You can definitely add an adorable sign to the center. You can add additional embellishments in between. You can add ribbon, bows, like whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. Sometimes I add additional embellishments. Sometimes I add signs and bows and things like that. And sometimes I just leave it how it is. I think this wreath is just so cute and precious how it is. So I'm not going to add anything additional to it. And you are all done. So cute, simple, and easy to make.